Hello, welcome to Santuário Lunar. In this video I'm going to do the weekly tarot reading for the second week of December. Before we start, I have an announcement to make. A short story just to explain the situation for you to understand. I've been doing videos on YouTube for many years, and around 2021 or 2020 this channel Santuário Lunar had a boom in views and people and subscribers and everything, and I had a lot of people, really a lot of people watching every day the videos and commenting, lots of comments, lots of reactions. But amongst these reactions there were some negative ones that flagged my content as inappropriate. And YouTube accepted those claims. I tried to revert, but it was not possible. So some videos, like the story of Goddess Gaia, the story of Aphrodite, and the story of Lilith, they were censored, let's say like this. Even though they were limited and they could not be spread or monetized as they used to, all my channel was punished and all my views were down, and they continue down until today. That's why you can see I have more than 56,000 subscribers, and my videos today they get less than 100 views. But these less than 100 views are quality views, and it's including you. But anyway, the old videos, they are dead, they are gone. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to revive these old videos because there are some precious videos there, some tutorials, some complete guides I did, and many other useful and interesting things. And I'm going to revive them and remake some of them too, and they are going to be available on my Ko-fi page. Some videos will be there normally. Some other videos will be there for supporters only. So once you support me on Ko-fi, only one time you can access all the videos. And some other videos and new videos too, they are going to be for members. I'm going to launch some membership soon, and I'll talk about this later. And then new videos are going to be exclusive there. The tarot videos are going to continue here. Some spells videos are going to continue here too. So actually I'm going to just revive old content and prepare some new content exclusively for Ko-fi members and supporters. So if you haven't supported me on Ko-fi yet, feel free to go there and enter the campaign to raise funds for Bungo's treatment. So you do all in once, you support, you enter the campaign, you enter the competition, and you get some exclusive content when they're there too. By the way, I'm putting a new video there. This video was not available on YouTube. It was an event that happened some months ago in England, and then I was invited to talk about some water-related orishas. So this event was a live event, a virtual live event. People who attended there, they saw the video there. And the video is now available on Ko-fi for supporters only. So if you have already supported me, just go there. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. If you haven't supported yet, support, enter the campaign, help Bungo's treatment, and also get this video, get the access to this video. So let's start this week reading. The card in the past is the Eight of Swords reversed, and the Eight of Swords reversed indicates obsession with problems, thinking too much about problems, problematizing things, focusing on the bad aspects of things. Think about when it was the last time you felt like that. You were thinking too much about problems, focusing only on them, and like there's no way out, and I don't know what to do. When was this period in your life? Was it recent? Is it happening now? Think about it, because the energy of this is going to influence this week. The thoughts of problems is going to influence this week, because these problems, they are not as bad as they seem to be. So for this week we have the Two of Cups, which is a very, very good card. The Two of Cups indicates the integration of opposite aspects, union, cooperation. So it can mean a lot of things. But let's start correlating with the Eight of Swords reversed. So we were focusing on problems. We were thinking too much about the problems and we couldn't find a solution to them, right? This week especially, it's a high chance to find these solutions, or simply to have a change of mind, a change of mindset, and stop seeing the problems as problems or as a bad thing, because they may not be so bad at all. So the Two of Cups can be the solution, can be someone who's going to help us, someone who's going to help us to understand things better, or someone who's going to help us to solve things, to do things, to achieve things. Or it can be even aspects of ourselves, two opposite aspects of ourselves that are going to work together to make things better. So this week is a positive week for problem solving, or just to stop suffering for problems and focusing on good things, because they do exist. By the end of the week, we have the Ukemochi card, which is the transformation card. In the traditional tarot, this is the death card, the death arcana. And this card is reversed, which indicates that we are going to be somehow afraid of changing something, or scared of accepting changes. This card is not the death of a person, it can mean just the death of a situation and the change of this situation, because we have to allow something to die in order to another thing to be created. So that's what this card may suggest. Looking at this, probably this mindset changing, stop worrying about the problems, stop focusing on the problems, and see the silver lining and see the best thing in everything. Probably this is going to bring so many positive things, so many good things, that we are going to be a bit scared, like, wow, I haven't noticed this before. My glasses are getting fogged because it's too hot again. I haven't noticed this before. So yes, it's simpler than it seems. There are good things to focus, there are positive things to do, there is a positive way to think and to face things now. And this can be scary, because we may get used to living the problematic situation or thinking too much on the problems. So who knows what's going to be this card. But anyway, a positive changing is coming, but don't be scared by it, just accept it, because it's positive. I say it's positive because the advice card is the Queen of Staves reversed. And the Queen of Staves reversed suggests that we are thinking too much and not acting the way we should, and we have everything we need to make things we want. So as this card is in the advice position, do things. Stop thinking about, because you have everything you need, you know everything you need to know, you have the know-how, you have the ability, you have the materials, you have everything that is necessary. So just do it and stop worrying. So in short, this is a week to stop worrying about problems and live the positive aspects of life and do things. Stop thinking, stop worrying, just do it. Just believe in things and make them happen. The transformation card reversed, the death arcana reversed, suggests that maybe we are so used to not doing and focusing on problems and waiting for answers, waiting for solutions. But now we can end this bad era, this bad aspect, this bad period we've been through. So if it's recent, if it's not recent, whatever is your situation, it's time to end this and see the bright side of things. Just go and do what you have to do. Just believe it. It's going to be okay. This is the message for the week. If you enjoy my work here and my tarot readings and the other videos, as I said in the beginning, please consider supporting me on Ko-fi. Just visit the link in the pinned comment below. You also find other links there for my private tarot readings, protection spells, free ebooks, and many other things. Do check there. Subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Give your thumbs up and share this video with other people who also enjoy these types of videos. Thank you so much. See you next week.